Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin a chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app guys. And on this interface, all of your chats will be available over here with which you had chatted or texted earlier on your Telegram account. Now, in order to pin a certain chat on Telegram, tap and hold on the chat box of the person whom you want to pin on your Telegram account. And the moment you tap and hold on the certain chat box, you can see the green tick mark appear at their profile picture. And with that being appeared at the top of the screen, you can see a bunch of items appearing. Now, in order to pin a chat on Telegram guys, you can see the pin option or the button available for us at the side of just beside the mute icon over here with the pin. Tap on that pin icon and you can see guys that chat has been pinned on Telegram and is now at the top of the screen. And with that being said guys, this is how to pin a chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.